everything. I really enjoy it. The people are wonderful. The food is very good. I have a gorgeous apartment. I wake up, I can go down and have breakfast, which is a lot of choices. I take a walk. Games start like 11 o'clock, so I go to the games, and then I go for lunch, and then in the afternoon I play bridge, and at night we have a wonderful dinner, and then I sit around with my friends and we talk. There's a lot to talk about. They call it the tree apartment, the tree house. I'm surrounded by windows, and I look out, I see the fountain, and I'm surrounded by trees. And I'm waiting for my first snowfall because haven't seen snow in a long time. So I'm waiting to go see the snow.